Hello everyone, I'm making a video about a Kohler 7000 series. The label just fell off, but this is a 7000 series, 21 horsepower I believe. This is a KT 715. This is a twin engine from Kohler. This is an Hustler machine. So I was having issues on loss of power when the blades were on, engaged, and when it was under load, there was loss of power. Wouldn't rev up correctly. So what happened, everyone online says to replace the coils. I already replaced the lead, so I can show you. I'm sorry. Replace the coils with some Chinese, but they were not good, so I returned them. I got the originals there, about 50-60 bucks online. These are the coils original, because I had put new plugs like a month or two ago. So the coils were new and it was still doing the same thing. I had to not time it, but put the coils the way they're supposed to be, with a gap of 4/1000 or something like that. I had to look it up. I did an oil change and a fuel filter change, not a whole lot long ago, maybe like 20 hours ago. And this one was failing too. The pump was kind of failing before I did the gaskets. I kind of put some everything, so I rebuilt, mostly like did service in the engine, not rebuild it. And after that it was losing power, so I was going crazy about everything, and I started looking into the car because I was getting fuel by the pump. So I was getting fuel and they said, okay, discard the fuel system, and it was probably bigger the coils. So it's not the coils. Well, I'm gonna make the video short. It was a carburetor. I had to replace it because mine was severely clogged up. There's a needle going up that was completely clogged. I couldn't even take it off, so I had to buy a used OEM. That's a used OEM. It's not a cheap Chinese. You have to put new gaskets. Order the gaskets too. I cleaned everything. It was so dirty here because it was leaking down here in the solenoid. I had to make a wrench special to tighten this out, and it's good and tight. Everything's plugged in. I even changed the wire harness because I was going crazy about it. And it's not the wire harness, it was the carburetor. At some point, some debris or whatever from this pump, because it's recently new, it's probably dirty, and I clogged up my old carburetor because it was working fine. So I had to replace it with a good used one, original from Kohler, and that was the problem. And now, since I was here, I adjusted the governor because they were saying it could be, you have to adjust it. And I have a single, it could be different for you, a single wire. This one does the throttle and the choke at the same time. So now it's working great. It's working perfect under load and everything. Just FYI, if they tell you to change the coils, just I think it's easier to clean the carb first and then change the coils and all that. Check you have spark and everything. That happens when loss of power under load is fuel starvation. So this is that's it. Before you look into it, clean your fuel. Even though you have a fuel filter like I had, but I recently replaced the fuel pump. I like the original. This is made in Japan. It's from Briggs and Stratton, but it's the same from made in Japan. So I like everything OEM but used than cheap Chinese crap. Okay, so that was my problem. And this twin Kohler 7000, the label fell off, but this is what the problem was. The carburetor was clogged up, the needle going up, and everything inside I had to replace. I couldn't even clean it properly. Did new gaskets, and everything's working fine. Please thumbs up, and don't get crazy about the coils and all that. It's probably the carb, because contaminated fuel. If you don't have a fuel filter, I advise you to put one if you don't. Okay, thank you.